Boom! Today in this video we will talk about should you invest in mutual funds or should you invest in stocks. This is going to be a short video but very powerful video. The first one, it depends on whether you are an active investor or a passive investor. So if you want to be constantly buying and selling shares, then stocks suit you. Mutual funds might not suit you. Third point is, are you interested in learning stock investing? If yes, then you should definitely go for stocks. If no is your answer, then close your eyes, choose the best mutual fund, then start investing in that. Fourth, very important, can you be disciplined? So this applies to both mutual funds as well as stocks, but it applies all the more to stocks. So you need to be very disciplined when you want to invest in stocks. If you are not disciplined, go for mutual funds, where automatically every month money will be deducted. The fund manager will do the job of picking the best stock for you and managing the stocks. You don't have to do anything, just sit back and relax. Can you commit to follow through your trading plan? There is something called trading plan, similar to business plan. If you have the commitment to follow through your trading plan, go for stocks, otherwise mutual funds again. The sixth point is, it depends upon your returns. How much return are you looking at? If you are looking at good returns, then you will have to invest yourself in learning stock market and not invest in mutual funds. I've been investing in mutual funds and stocks for the last 10-15 years, and I know that stocks have huge potential to give returns, unlike the mutual funds. Towards the end of the video, I'll talk about one of the major drawback of mutual fund that I have found out. So the seventh is whether it's a long term or short term. If you are looking for a short term time frame, then go for stocks. Yes, you'll have to learn, and then even if it is for short term, go for stocks. But if it is a long term and you are not interested in continuing to learn and keep invested, go for mutual funds. And I told you I'll tell you something about mutual funds that nobody else has talked about. So mutual funds have one fundamental problem, and that is you can't come out when there is a recession. Yes, in 2008 I lost about 50% of my money that was invested in mutual funds. That gave birth to my interest in stock market. I wanted to find out if I can make money both in the falling market as well as in the upside market. And that's when I started investing in courses, learning from people, and I figured out that there is a way. And I just wanted to tell you that mutual funds have that problem to a great extent, and that's something that you need to be very careful. One of the scenario could be where you invest in mutual funds for next 8 years, and 8th year if the market falls, all your entire money is gone. All the compounding that was in your favor and goes for a toss. So keep watching this space. I'll come up with some more amazing videos. Comment below if you want me to talk about stock selection or strategy. Which one you want me to make my next video? Depending upon the responses, I'll make either a video on stock selection or on trading strategy. See you for this video. Catch up with you for my next one. Till then, happy trading. Bye.